Hello, Richmond. Welcome. This is Brian with driveRVA. Just wanted to bring to you the first of a few videos I'm going to do just to show you guys some things about our site. This one I want to show you how easy it is to set up an account with us online. So you are totally at your own will. It's a totally self-service process here. So once you have your account, you can just sign in at your own leisure and place your orders whenever you want to. So it's a really cool, super convenient system. This should work on all your laptops, your desktops, or your mobile devices and tablets. And no matter what web browser that you're using, you shouldn't have any problems with it. So to set up an account, just go ahead to drive-RVA.com in your browser. I already have it here. I'm using Google Chrome. In the top left corner, you hit these little bars for the drop-down menu. Go to Order Online. It's going to take you to our sign-in screen. So if you already had your account set up, you would go here and just sign in. We're going to go, for this video, create your account right here. So this is for new customers. So click straight through. It's going to bring it to the portal page here. You can sign in if you already have an account, or over here we'll go to new customers, create your account. And we'll type in our company name to start. So this will be what most of you do. Type in your business name. You can put a direct contact name. So if you have like an office manager or somebody who'll be responsible for placing the orders more often than others, you can put their name here. So let's say John Johnson. His phone number is 999-999-9999. Okay, so fax if you have one. Email, I'm going to use driveRVAtest@gmail.com, which I created just for this video. Website is driveRVA.com. We'll just put your company site there and make up a password. I believe it's 8 characters. It can be any kind of password that you want. Your company address, so we'll just say 123 Main Street. That's Richmond, Virginia, 23220. All right, and once we have all the fields filled in, we'll go and say create your account. And that should be it. New account created. Thank you for creating a new account with us. You can continue. And that's it. It's just that simple. There's no obligations. There's no hassles. There's nothing else that you have to do. You now have an account set up. You can log in whenever you'd like and totally manage your account and place all your orders and track all your orders. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you next how to navigate the other parts of the customer web portal and show you what this portal can do. Thanks for watching.